Got this quarter panel all stripped down to bare metal, and got all the welds ground down inside the trunk where the kind of hard to see. Anyway, got it ground down. And I need to get primer on the inside of that trunk drop-off panel. And I was showing how I got this down to bare metal. It's taking some time because there was lots of scratches and chips all over this that had been painted and primed over many years ago, and there was rust growing under it. Luckily, with the paint being over the top of it, it slows it down a lot and it doesn't rust through it. But I don't know if the camera will pick it up. Yeah, it does a little bit. Right across there, there's a little line, and it goes all the way down there. That's where this thing had been scratched all the way to the bare metal at one point, and it was rusting under the primer and the paint and everything else. And just like all the other spots on this car, they just either filled it up with lacquer primer or some kind of lacquer putty, I don't know, and then kept blocking it till they got it flat and they painted it. But I've got all this DA'd with 80 grit. Got to get after it quick because I had the heater going here trying to keep the temperature at 70 degrees, keep the air dry so I don't get humidity building up and this doesn't flash rust. So this video is going to be short as possible. But you got to DA this with 80 grit, and you got to mix your epoxy up 30 minutes before so it has its induction period. And right after you get it DA'd and cleaned off with wax and grease remover and tack it off, come in here and get your first coat of primer on it or epoxy on it. And then wait 20 minutes, maybe 30, however cold it is, and then put another one. I've got some spots up here that need to be dealt with. I found some more Bondo packed in here and holes in it. I have to weld them up, but since I've already taken all the time to get this DA'd, I'm just going to put some primer on it and then come back and weld them holes up, and you can see all them welds I got globbed up there. I've wire brushed them, but I had to do that to build this quarter panel out towards the door and to fill the gap up, because this was pushed in towards the back of the car that way, and it was pushed in towards the inside of the car. And I beat on it with 2 whores and hammers trying to get it straightened. Couldn't get it to come out far enough, and the customer's at the point where we can't spend any more money on huge body panels or quarter panel for this. A full quarter panel is $500 and something. I don't know how much, or if you can even buy just this front part, but I've already bought the back parts, so I'm just going to weld them holes up. There's no rust holes, and I'm going to put some fiberglass reinforced body filler in that area, and then I'll go over the top of that with regular body filler. But just showing you how I got it down to bare metal, and this is what I plan on doing to the whole car. I just got to do it a panel at a time. So got to get my primer gun. I already got primer in it, or the epoxy I mean. Go over and put a couple of coats of epoxy on this. That's it. Over and out. And as always, like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate all the viewers I got. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I have a long ways to go. So share this with anybody you know that you can help, or if you enjoy it, the videos help you. I appreciate it. Have a good night.